Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this tutorial, I'm gonna guide you through how to change your avatar in Pokémon TCG Pocket. To change your avatar in Pokémon TCG Pocket, first of all, launch open the application on your device, and from the home screen, go ahead and tap on your profile picture at the top of the screen. You will then be able to see your friend ID, your avatar, and your username. Go and tap on the pencil button right underneath your avatar at the top and then select a different avatar from the menu. After making a selection, click on OK. And right after you do that, you will be able to edit or change your avatar. So that's how simple and easy it is. With your new avatar, you'll be ready to show off your unique style in Pokémon TCG Pocket. If you found the video helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.